And we're going. Okay. So we're doing subtraction today. And I think we're going to name this lesson, we're going to name it Kicking Subtractions Butt. We're kicking subtractions butt today. At the end of the lesson, our objective is everyone's going to get how to do subtraction. And I know we kind of got it already, right? We all can kind of do it?
Yeah.
But do you think we could be better?
Yes.
I think we could be a little bit better, right?
Yeah. More, a lot better.
A lot better, right? Okay. So we'll start with some easy problems then. When I do subtraction, what am I doing? Can anyone answer that question?
Taking away.
I'm taking away what?
The numbers.
One number from another number?
There's a real one right there. It's like, there's a dry.
So everyone, on your whiteboards, we're going to
Smart board.
Enrique.
That's a smart board.
Actually, before we start this, let's go over the behavioral expectations. So, when you guys are in a small group with Mr. Sasso,
Yes.
what are the rules that we're going to follow? Someone give me one rule. One rule.
Be quiet and
Okay,
learn.
so we're going to be quiet, right?
Yeah, and listen.
I want another rule. No?
Zero voice level.
Zero voice level? Okay, Aaron.
Be quiet inside the computer lab and listen to Mr. Sasso.
Okay, Igor.
Be patient.
Be patient. Enrique.
Listen to the sound.
Okay, so let's go over these rules real quick. When Mr. Sasso's talking,
Mr.
no one else is talking.
Mr. Salsa.
So Enrique, if you guys are talking right now when I'm talking, is that breaking the first rule?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're not going to talk, okay?
Okay.
Our second rule, voice level 1 to 0, okay?
Okay.
When I ask you things, we're going to be quiet because guess what? There's a library right over there, right? So we can't talk that loud.
Yeah.
And finally, what was our other rule?
Be patient.
Be patient. Good job. And for the points thing, Mrs. Cernez said, what I'm going to do is every time we get an answer right, I'm going to give you guys a point. But every time we break a rule, like we did last time, I'm taking away 2 points. All right?
So like you're going to go to the
Yeah, so I'm expecting you guys to all get a lot of points and me take away a little bit of points. Yeah, Deja.
And the last rule is going to be raise your hand.
Raise your hand to answer. That's a good one. Okay, so let's go over our objective again. By the end of the lesson, I will be able to write and solve subtraction problems using 2-digit numbers. And we're going to do that a lot of different ways.
2-digit numbers.
Good, okay. So first thing I want you to do, everyone give me one example of a subtraction problem on your board. Write me a subtraction problem.
Can we come out with our own?
I don't need an answer, I just want a problem.
Can we come out with our own number?
Yeah.
Erase like that. 1.
I just want one example of a subtraction problem. You don't have to answer it, I just want an example. Good. Shh. Are we talking? Okay, so I'm taking away 1 point right now. I'm going to put our points right here.
Oh.
You guys all had 1 point for coming. I'm taking it away, and we have minus points now because Reese was talking. So we're not talking, okay? Okay, so let's see them. I see everyone has a problem. Enrique, let's finish that one. Perfect. Okay, so everyone wrote their problems. And I see a couple examples. Reese had 19 take away 18, which was 1, right?
Yeah.
We have Enrique. Enrique, what was your point? What was yours? What was your problem, Enrique? You don't have to give me an answer. It looks like it was 65 take away 65.
Yeah.
Good, that is a subtraction.
This one's
Igor, what was yours?
9 minus 8.
Okay, so I see that your problem, Igor, was 38 take away what?
59.
Take away 59. So can someone tell me what's wrong with that problem before we start, Deja?
mine is 19 minus
I see that's your problem. But can someone tell me what's wrong with this problem, Reese?
That why you forgot that you have to circle it.
Igor?
That the nuts on the bottom is bigger than the top one.
Exactly. So this number is bigger than the top number, huh?
Yeah.
So what we have to do is we have to switch these, right?
Yeah.
Because in subtraction, the bigger number has to be on top.
Because
So it would be
because
59.
it's like this.
So Reese, what rule are you breaking right now? You're breaking a bunch of rules.
I don't know this.
Well, you can sit down first of all. So we're taking away another point because of that. But it was 59, take away 38. Okay? So the rule that you broke, Reese, was you're not supposed to talk when Mr. Sasso is talking. You're supposed to raise your hand when Mr. Sasso asks you, right? Okay. So let's do an easy problem. Everyone erase your boards. Everyone's boards erased? Okay. Igor, is your board erased?
Yeah.
I don't see it erased. Okay. First problem, we're going to do an easy one. Let's do 28 take away 26. Everyone write that on your board.
Okay.
8 minus 26.
You can solve it, Enrique. I'm going to give Enrique a point because he's sitting quietly. So points, we're at -1 now because we had to take away another one for Reese. So that was 1 point though, so we're getting closer to 0. Can you write the problem, Aaron? 28 take away 26?
We'll have 20.
You'll see it once you guys earn the points. Right now you're still in the negatives. So can anyone give me the answer or how to do this? Igor.
Circle the bottom one
Circle the bottom one, okay.
and excel A and 2 on the top.
You're close. We don't have to do that for this one though, because why?
Cross out the 2.
We don't have to do any of that for this one. So look here. You see how we start with the ones, right?
Yeah.
So that's the ones and that's the tens. And this number is smaller than that number, correct? So Deja, what is the answer?
We don't need to record.
We don't need to regroup because the second number is smaller than the top number, huh? So what is 8 minus 6? Can anyone tell me?
10.
2.
2, right? And then 2 take away 2 is, what is that, Aaron? What's 2 take away 2? 0, you're right. So our answer ended up being
2.
2. Okay, that's our first point we all got. First point. Next time.
For all of us?
Yep, everyone got a point there.
Everyone?
Yes. Next one, okay? I want you guys to solve 36 take away 28.
Oh.
Now the first thing we need to do is who can label this for me? Is this the ones or the tens?
10. I mean 1.
That's the ones, right? And what is this?
10.
Tens, you're right. Okay. Everyone wrote it down?
Not me got the answer yet.
Oh, I did it. I didn't do it.
It's 48.
We'll see.
Oops, it's minus.
Okay, so the first strategy we're going to use is you remember how Mrs. Cerna had us write the units out?
Yeah.
So this is 6 units. So everyone, let's write 6 circles here.
Oh. Yeah, I got no place.
And now Deja, how many rods do we have for this one?
3.
3 tens or 3 rods, right? Good.
We're going to have to write it all over. That was on myself.
Okay, Enrique.
On your neck, yeah.
Enrique.
No, right here. I did?
Can 6 take away 8? Can 6 take away 8? No, it can't. So what do we have to do from over here?
6, cross out the 3.
We cross out a 10, we cross out the 3. This becomes a what? A 2?
Yeah.
and we add 10 units over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now Aaron, when I take away 8 from this, I cross out 8 units. So let's cross out 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many do I have left over? Reese?
47.
Reese, how many do I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we put an 8 down here. Now let's go over to our 10s. Deja. We have 2, and we're taking away 2. So what's 2 take away 2? If we cross out 2 here, what do we have left over? 0 left over, right? So our answer ended up being what?
It is going to be 8.
You're right, yours is going to be 8, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Wait, how do you draw next to a 6?
We drew, so we had a 6, right?
Yeah.
6 couldn't take away 8, so we had to carry from the 10. And if we carried 10, we bring 10 units over. So I drew 10 more circles on top of the 6. So we end up having 16 total circles. And when we take away 8, we have 8 left over. Good.
Why?
So that was us drawing them out.
And it was really windy.
Now I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute to work on this problem. Let's do 53 take away 26.
Okay, 53 away 26.
So I want you guys to label the units, draw them out, and then subtract it. That's good.
53.
Did you do that so quick?
But you have to follow the steps. Yeah. Yeah, all the steps. You show something? No. That's what I can't see myself.
It's all right. We just need to get a little closer. So we don't really need to see anything.
Yeah.
Okay. So Aaron, what's our first step in answering this problem?
Take away 6.
Ooh, so 13 take away 6, right? So you drew. So we can draw 3 units here, and we draw 5 rods here, right, Enrique?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, Aaron, can 3 take away 6?
No.
No, it can't. So what we have to do is we have to carry. And how many do we carry? 1 rod, right? So if I carry 1 rod, how many circles do I write over here?
23.
Close. Can anyone tell me how many, if I take away 110 from over here, how many circles do I add over here?
4.
Close. I took away 10, so I'm going to add 10 circles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
13. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 13.
Okay, Igor.
I like 4, 5, 6, 7.
Igor. If I'm taking away 6, how many units do I cross out?
6.
6. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left over, Deja?
5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours.
I crossed them out. How many do I have left over?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You were right. We have 7 left over. Now, Enrique.
4. Oh, 7. 27.
How many units do I have left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I take away 2, how many do I cross out?
2.
You're right. Good job. 1.
And it's 2.
Good. And what's our final answer?
27.
27. Good job, you guys. So I'm going to give us 1 point for that.
27. That was 24.
And now we're going to talk about something real quick,
That
okay?
was 33.
So this is Mr. Sasso's lesson for his grade, right? Are we breaking rules by talking?
No.
I think we're talking a little bit too much, Reese, okay? So we have to be quiet and only talk when you're called on, all right?
Keep forgetting the rule.
Are you talking? I think we both talked, so I'm taking away that point we just earned. Okay? Next problem. Let's earn these points back. Yeah, you can erase it now. This time I'm going to write the problem horizontally.
What's that? What does that mean?
Reese. We're not talking, right? Okay. 33 take away 40. 33 can't take away 40, right? Let's say 33 take away 28. I'm going to give you guys a second. I want you to write this vertically. So who wants to come up to the board and write it vertically? Reese.
Okay.
Come up to the board and write it vertically. What is vertically, first of all?
I don't know.
Is that sideways, or is that going to be up and down?
Sideways.
This is horizontally. So vertically is going to be up and down. Okay, Reese, come write it for me real quick. Write it big right here.
Right that big?
Write it big. Let's go.
Right that big?
That problem right over there, yes.
I already had a marker open.
Nice and big. 33. So is that horizontally, right?
Yep.
Didn't we want it vertically? Up and down? So let's erase this and let's try it one more time. That's
Can I try?
horizontally. Yeah, Aaron, you can come up and try it. Sit down.
Can I
I
try?
already got this.
Okay, I want you to write it vertically for me.
It's Joey.
33. That's good. Takeaway. Good. 28. Perfect. Go sit down. Okay, next thing.
Oh, I know that.
Who wants to label the tens and the ones for me? Igor. Come up here. Can you label the tens and the ones for me? Tens. Ones. Good job.
Can I draw the answer?
Hold on. I'm going to let someone else do that, okay? Go sit down.
I want to draw the answer.
Okay, Deja. Can you come up here and write the units and the rods for me?
Can I write it after? Okay,
Can I just answers?
We'll see once we get there. Okay, Deja. Can you give me the units here and the rods here? Aaron, will you sit down for me?
What's it say? 1, 2, 3. You are 10. 3 ones and 3 tens.
Good. So we have 3 units for here and 3 tens over here, right? Perfect. Go sit down. Now, Enrique, come over here. Your turn now. So, can this 3 take away the 8?
No.
No. So what do we have to do? Okay. And the 3 can't take away the 8, huh? So what do we have to do? Don't we have to cross it out? Good. Okay. What are you going to do?
Mr. Sasso, you're not showing it.
Sorry.
That becomes a 13. That becomes a 2. Good. So what happened here was we crossed out this one, right? That became a 2. Since this became a 13, we add the
13.
we add the 10 dots to make it 13, right? Okay, go sit down, Enrique. Now, who's going to give me this answer? Aaron. Sit down. Tell me, how many of these circles am I crossing out?
3.
You're close, so we have 13, right? And we're taking away 8, so we're
8.
crossing out 8. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what does that leave us with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Reese, what are you doing? You're not sitting in your chair. You're being a little squirrely, right? So I think we're going to take away this last point because we can't follow the directions. Sorry. Okay, now Reese, your redemption here. We have 2. How much are we taking away in the tens?
2.
2. So that just leaves us with our answer of 5. Okay, we're giving that point back. Good job, Reese. And our last strategy we're going to work on is we've used our units and rods to model the problems, right? Now the last thing is we're going to try to do a problem with a number line.
You show.
All right? Yeah. Enrique, what?
Do you show this end of the video?
Yeah.
Which video?
The video that's being taken right now. Okay, last one.
Take it
What's a number line? You can tell me what a number line is. Reese.
You put a line, then you start with the number, then you do jumps.
You're right. Okay, so we're going to leave our line blank right now, okay? Let's do a problem like...
Even like that.
That's good to me. Let's try 84 take away
How could erase?
26. And now for this problem, you guys, we're going to strictly do our number line. So can everyone write a number line on their board?
I've been doing
Good job.
number.
And we're going to give this problem is going to be worth double points, okay?
Can I leave this like that?
Yeah, sure. Looks good. So what number starts on the left of our number line?
What's the rest?
What number do we start with here?
84.
Okay. Let's start with 84 over here, okay? And if 84 is over here, what's over here?
26.
You're right, good job. Now, for this problem,
I can't see.
84, take away 26, we have to do jumps, right? So what should we do our jumps by?
Like this.
Like that, right? How many am I going to jump each time?
10. Then
10s? Okay. So if I jump 10, 26, what's 10 more than 26, Aaron?
10 more than 26
Yeah. Use your fingers if you need to.
Four.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So the plus 10 jump, that means we're at 36 now, right?
Yeah.
Now let's jump another 10. If I jump another 10, what am I at, Reese?
46.
You're right, 46. Igor, if I jump another 10, what am I at? We went from 46.
57.
Close, 56. 56, yeah, you're right. Now, Deja, if I jump another 10, what am I at?
50.
I didn't ask.
66.
Yeah, you're right. We're at 66. And now, Enrique, if I jump another 10, what am I at?
76.
You're right. And now, can we jump another 10 to get to 84?
No.
No, we can't because it'd be 86, huh? So what should I do my jumps by now? Enrique? What should I do my jumps by now if I can't jump by 10? Reese.
8. Plus 8.
It is 8, right? But let's not jump by 8. Let's do our jumps by 1s, okay? So we're at 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So there's one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there.
8.
Yeah, one right there. So let's count these up.
Looks like 8.
10 plus 10 is what?
20,
30.
36.
10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 10 is 40, plus 10 is
50.
50, and then we add 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Good job. So 84 take away 26 is
I was already done.
58.
58. Good job.
Wait. Let me see.
Is everyone drawing it?
Yeah, I already did. Yeah.
Good.
No, do we have to go back to class?
We're gonna look at our work. So can everyone see? Let's show the thing our boards. So who did it? Deja, can we see your board?
Yeah.
I already done it.
You're finished? You're just not gonna show us?
It's done.
Okay, you guys. So that was our lesson on what?
That's again, I'm done.
What?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay, good job, you guys.